Thank you.
He's like, look at this gray ass. Oh! Ah, actual cooling. Yeah, let's go check out the playground. Oh, look at the little drawings. Haha, the baby one. Nope, you're perfect, baby. Come on. Oh, look at Pinocchio. Oh, I hear farts over there. Look at the button. Probably a gigantic button. Eyeball stew. I love the servos in that guy. Don't fart too much.
Go ahead.
Go. Baby! Alright, I think I need to go poop. Feet first. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh! 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 Ah! It's louder out here. Oh, that's so cool. Whoa! I feel like a kid again. Oh, look, it goes down too. This is so fun. Bye, baby. Whoa! What? The views from here. Anything down here? Nope, nothing. At least it has a rain hole. Huh? Oh. Look at this ogre. Oh, look at this. Oh, check it out, baby. That's a cool button. These NeoPixels. Oh, they're using matrices for this. Thought it was just a screen. Oh, look, we got trolls living in the trees. Look at this area. Yeah, go, baby. Go, go, go. This caterpillar. I like these little pods. Whoa. Careful. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, oh. Lava? Okay. Yo!
What large teeth you have?
Look at this. Whoa. Dang, it's pretty smoky, huh?
It's Shrek! You're right! It's Shrek!
This way, Donkey.
Next in the story.
All right, this is where you and the dragon fall in love.
What?
It's Shrek's swamp!
That's a nice boulder.
Where Shrek and Fiona get married!
And where Donkey and Dragon have lots of babies.
I was hoping this would be a happy ending. Quick question. Is this supposed to happen?
Oh!
Thank you for joining us in all our
I'm covered!
friends today.
That was pretty cool. That was way better in person than it looked like think, baby? You like it? They're using matrices for the entire thing. Wow. These are all matrices. Look at this mural. Got everyone here. Oh, thank you. Got my new wig. Look, it's a poppy troll plant. Poppy plants. Yup, doing real good with the foliage here. Check out this anthurium. It's all flowering. Look at all these inflorescence. Oh, and they already got beetles in there pollinating it. How cool is that? Huh? Let's see, are you tall enough? Perfect. Yay! Oh, I think you're tall enough. Oh, look at this guy. All flower. Oh, this is some nice shade. It does. Let's get in this caterpillar. Oh, oh, we're going up into the spider. I think this is the Spider-Verse. Oh.
Here we go, we're crossing the Spider-Verse.
Whoa. Oh, oh. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Fun. What do you think, baby?
That was fun.
Have fun?
I slid over Adam.
Bye. You slid over?
Made my butt just whoop right onto him.
Oh, look, we're still working. It runs Windows. How cool. You know I gotta look at that technical stuff. Oh no, check out their plumeria. Looks like it got too much water. This is so nice. Ah. Oh! It's like an obstacle course. Let's check out that area over there with all the water. Look, all their clothes is drying. Let's get it all wet. Shoot, 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 baby! You got it! Make sure that clothes doesn't get dry. Oh, that's so cool. Oh! Oh, watch out, baby! Ah! Yeah, that one's hard to pull. You got it. A little spinny to dry off. This is a good idea. Whoa! Woo! Whoa! I don't know. Check out these Odora alocasia though. Look at these guys. Ow. So big. Try it out. Pull down. Go, go, go. Oh. Oh, we got some vibration on the floor. Let's do it. Go, go. You got it? Oh, wow. Now,
Come here just for that.
yeah. I would come here just for that. Skadoosh.
Guy Diamond is out, y'all. You missed
No.
Yeah, Guy Diamond.
Did he fart?
Yeah. Heard your song yet, though?
Haha, Brosen. Look at his hair melt.
Right.
What do you think? Mm.
Can I taste
Yeah.
it?
Right, sure.
Mm.
Tastes like yogurt. Gives you a troll smile. Smile. Smile.
Who is that? Is that Shrek's footprints? Don't touch the ground, come on. Let's see this green cheese.
Really soft.
Mmm. Oh wow, yeah.
It's really good.
They have a little Ed and Sonia over here. Look at this little guy. Ha ha. Wow, how cool, look!
Add the milk.
I don't think it was the blue milk, right? Let's get a selfie.